You know this sound. It's kalimba, an instrument that's easy to love and even easier to play. Well, this is Bastl Kalimba. Not just an evolution, but a completely new instrument that will take you places. Make synth pads, gliding solos, resonant lullabies, or heavy-hitting bass. Just pluck the tines. Let your intuition guide you. Turn the knobs and explore kalimba's vast sound palette. The effects will set the vibe. Layer your ideas with the looper, alter and stretch them. Treat it like an instrument, and it will answer like one. Use motion to express yourself. You can play it anywhere, or take it to the studio and make it hit big. Join us on a journey with simple rules and captivating sounds. Bastl Kalimba, a unique hybrid instrument and synthesizer for intuitive music expression and sound exploration. Just play it. You already know it. Get it now on Kickstarter and get the limited edition design.